Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear brothers and sisters in Islam, so today I'm gonna share with you very important topic. So today I will discuss with you from the Noble Quran. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He mentioned in the Quran, He reminds us in the Surah Maryam, He said, قَالَ رَبِّ أَنَّا يَكُونُ لِي غُلَامٌ. He said about the conversation with Zakaria alayhi salatu wassalam. He said, قَالَ رَبِّ أَنَّا يَكُونُ لِي غُلَامٌ وَكَانَتِ امْرَأَتِي عَاقِرٌ وَقَدْ بَلَغْتُ مِنَ الْكِبَرِ عِتِيًّا قَالَ رَبِّ أَنَّا يَكُونُ لِي غُلَامٌ. Oh my Lord, how I will have a boy. أَنَّا يَكُونُ لِي غُلَامٌ. Why? Because Zakaria alayhi salatu wassalam, he said, oh my Lord, وَكَانَتِ امْرَأَتِي عَاقِرٌ. My wife has been burned. So why, how it's possible that will I have a boy? So he said, وَقَدْ بَلَغْتُ مِنَ الْكِبَرِ عِتِيًّا. And I have reached extreme old age. So there is two problems. One problem is my wife has been burned, and second problem is I have reached my extreme old age. So how is possible? How is possible? He asked to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah, He gave him glad tidings, a boy. After that he said to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, oh my Lord, how it's possible? Because my wife has been burned. And second condition, second complex is I have reached extreme old age. So look at the response of Allah. After that, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He said to Zakaria alayhi salatu wassalam, oh Zakaria, don't worry. Don't despair of the mercy of Allah. Don't lose hope in the mercy of Allah. He said, قَالَ كَذَلِكَ. Oh my Lord. قَالَ كَذَلِكَ. He said, thus it will be happen. Don't worry. قَالَ كَذَلِكَ قَالَ رَبُّكِ هُوَ عَلَيَّ هَيِّنٌ. Your Lord say, it's easy for me. هُوَ عَلَيَّ هَيِّنٌ. It's easy for me. Not very complex, harsh, hard. Not. It's so easy for me. هُوَ عَلَيَّ هَيِّنٌ. Even وَقَدْ خَلَقْتُكَ مِنْ قَبْلُ شَيْئًا. While you were nothing, I created you. Oh my God, can you imagine? Allah, He said, while you were nothing, I created you. So after that, your creation, it's not complex. It's easy for me. So don't worry. Don't despair of the mercy of Allah. Don't lose hope in the mercy of Allah. So dear brothers and sisters, I think so many people, they suffer this kind of problem. So don't lose hope in the mercy of Allah. Put your trust completely, perfectly upon Allah. Allah, He will give you. Allah, He will elevate your rank. Allah, He will give you glad tidings. So be patient and be grateful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And you can ask, you can make supplication again and again. Again and again. You can ask Him. If you feel need a boy, a girl, you can ask to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Many people, they go to Islamic scholar, leader, give me a boy. So it's completely shirk. You can ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. If you highly needed a boy or girl, you can ask to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Zakaria alayhi salatu wassalam, he asked to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, oh my Lord, grant me inheritance, descendants, offspring. So you can ask to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala about your offspring, descendants, inheritor. It's absolutely oppression, wrong that you will ask your boy, your girl, any man. It's completely wrong. So this kind of thinking we have, this kind of misconception have in our society, in our community. So it's completely to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. His desire, his intent. It's not able to do it any man, any Islamic scholar. So you have to understand, you have to gain knowledge, Islamic knowledge from the Quran and Sunnah, authentic knowledge you have to gain. So, okay, that's all for today. Have a good day.